siege is an accepted military tactic, recognized under international law. Siege means surrounding the enemy and cutting off their supply to deny them equipment and reinforcement, and ultimately to defeat them. International law draws a red line. It is forbidden to intentionally starve a civilian population in order to attain a military advantage. The goal of the siege on Gaza is not to starve Gazan civilians. They have been called upon to evacuate to the south of the Strip. The goal is to weaken Hamas militarily in order to bring about its destruction and to free the hostages. Israel allows supplies to enter southern Gaza, not from a third party, but from Israel itself. We need to remember that international law does not require a state to supply anything to enemy territory. A state must allow third parties to supply humanitarian aid as long as the supplies reach their destination and the enemy does not gain from them a military or economic advantage. Hamas has stolen fuel and medical supplies. Its fighters beat civilians trying to access humanitarian supplies and steals them for its own purpose. Hamas has misappropriated millions of dollars earmarked for charity to build its terrorist infrastructure. Fuel allows Hamas to illuminate and vent its terrorist tunnels and operate machinery to build missiles. Over the past years, the European Union has donated millions of euros for water pipes in Gaza. These pipes have been torn up by Hamas and turned into rockets. Any supplies that enter Gaza at this point will fall into Hamas's hands. International law does not demand that a state itself arm and strengthen its enemies.